Hi, I'm Chef Shih and I'm going to show you how to make satay sauce. First, we need a blender. We're going to add in lemongrass, galangal or blue ginger, garlic, shallot, cooking oil. First, we need to heat up the pan. Then we add in the blended ingredients. Chili powder, coriander seeds powder, fennel seeds powder. Then we stir fry until fragrant. When the ingredient is fragrant, which is about 2 to 3 minutes later, we add in the rest of the ingredient. Asam water, gula melaka, crushed peanut, and water. We bring to boil and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of simmering, we can adjust the liquid accordingly. We can add a little bit more of water, and we add salt and sugar to taste. And we're done.